Hello mga boss. So, welcome sa video natin. Today, tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng isang invoice doon sa mga clients natin. Kasi may mga clients din naman, especially na pag nasa online jobs or sa mga direct client. Yung mga client nila, niyo sabihan kayong parang, hey Jake, can you please send me an invoice regarding para doon sa payment nila? So, all we need to do is go to our PayPal account. As you can see, ito yung PayPal account natin. Ito yung mga proof of income ko pala dati. May available balance, and ito yung mga payment natin sa Upwork last October 16. So legit yung mga website talaga from Upwork, guys. Ito naman yung sa mga HBC, ito naman yung mga direct client ko. So yun. So ang ginagawa ko lang is send ko lang dun sa isang PayPal account ko kasi nandun yung mga na-connect yung mga Gcash tsaka yung mga PayMaya account ko. So anyway, so ito yung dashboard ng PayPal account natin. All we need to do is we need to go to dito sa go to tools tsaka dito sa invoicing. As you can see, may mga unpaid invoices pa ako dito. So yun, nagsasend din ako ng invoice almost every week din. So we need to go to invoicing lang, and then click mo lang yan, invoicing, and then dito ka, create mo yung invoice, create invoice, boom. Ito yung mga unpaid pa natin, guys. So simple lang. Then you need to ask for your client na email ng client mo, PayPal email, para ilagay mo dito. Let's say for example, yung client ko is yung isang account ko, so jcayano@gmail.com. ilagay mo lang dyan, and boom. And then yung CC, huwag mo nang lagyan to. Then lagyan mo lang ito. Let's for example, yung work week ko is from, ano pang date ngayon? October. Okay, so from October 12 to October 16 of work. So ang gawin ko is work from October 12 to October 16. So for example, ito yung rate ko. Nag-work ako ng 40 hours or 20 hours, depende. 20 hours din ang rate ko is may 575. Let's say for example, yung rate natin is $10. Boom. So extra natin yan. Of course, you need to check this kasi naka peso format yung PayPal account ko, so you need to change this one to US dollars, or depende sa client nyo. Kung client nyo is Australian, ilagay nyo dyan. And then, since US yung client ko, ilagay ko yan US, okay? So, may $200 na ako yan, guys. So, all I need to do is, I only just need to click here to send, and then it will automatically send an invoice dun sa client ko. Let's say for example, i-send natin. So, recheck natin yung, guys, double check tayo. So, email, check. Then work from October 12 to October 16, 20 hours, $10 per hour to, guys, per hour, and then amount natin. So then send ko yun sa PayPal, sa email. So yun, we've sent your invoice, and i-check natin yung email kung ano bang nakalagay dun sa sa email natin. So, check ko yung email ko, guys. So, ito yung email na receive ko from my other email account. So, ito yung name ko. So, you've received an invoice like Jake. You sent you an invoice for $200 due on receipt. So, ang gawin ng client natin is i-view lang na, tsaka i-pay na yung invoice mo. So, yun. And that's how easy it is to make your first invoice or mga invoices mo dun sa client mo. So yeah, please let me know if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video. God bless.